Okay, so we removed this cover right here on the left because we thought it was going to be something from the side. But what it actually is this little cover that comes off right underneath. And there's just a Phillips head screw right there. So we're going to take that off and show you what it looks like after. Alright, now I'll take this over to the bench. I'll show you what's going on here. Okay, so we got the switch out. And this is what was going on. I guess when people try to manhandle these things, thinking that they're a manual switch instead of electronic switch, they wind up breaking, causing your Mclaren to be stuck with the parking brake on. Show you what they're supposed to look like. Simple as that. So one screw and she'll be good as gold. Anyway, I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.